Hi friends, Chitra here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am happy to inform you that I have cleared the NISM Research Analyst examination. What is NISM? Means the National Institute of Securities Market. Research analysts do the comprehensive study of companies, evaluate their past performance, also analyze how a company is expected to perform in the future. Research analyst examination is intended for professionals seeking to build a career as an equity research analyst. It is also mandatory for any individual who participates and is engaged in preparation or analysis of research reports and for the partners of equity research firms. This examination covers the basics of Indian security markets, terminologies and concepts that are used in the equity and derivative markets, fundamental research, that is the top-down and bottom-up approach, and understanding the principles of micro and macroeconomic analysis. Also, we'll get the knowledge about the quantitative and qualitative analysis, learn about the fundamentals of risk and return and valuation principles.